Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful 360 wig that I received from Ashimaryhair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 22 inches. The hair texture is water wave. The hair color is a balayage caramel, which is like a really deep auburn color with blonde highlights. And what makes this wig extra special is that this wig was created using the all-new 360 wig cap. So Ashimary's brand new 360 wig cap features a hidden translucent elastic thread that adjusts to the size of your head for a custom fit. A custom fit means that this 360 wig can be worn completely glueless. No glue, tape, or gel is required. And I am really looking forward to this video because this is a complete game changer. A 360 wig that adjusts to the size of your head and you don't need to glue it down, that is perfect, especially for beginners or on lazy days. Finally, we can get that natural looking nape without damage to our hairline. The cap construction features 4 removable wig combs, a removable elastic band, and the all new elastic threading. So this wig comes ready to wear with pre-bleached knots in the front and the back of the wig, a pre-plucked hairline in the front and in the back of the wig, which I love, and the lace has already been cut for us. Let's take a closer look at this elastic thread. It can be tightened on the left and the right sides of your head to create a custom fit. Once you have your desired fit, you can simply just hide the thread by tucking it underneath the wig. This color is just so perfect for summer and also fall. What would you name this color? Let me know your name suggestions in the comment section. This color and this hair texture is giving me early 2000s Beyonce, like for sure. And I love the fact that this color does complement deeper skin tones. So with a 360 wig cap, you do get lace all around in a 360 spear or dome shape. So you get 4 inches of parting space from your forehead on back. You get about 3 inches of parting space on the left and right sides. And then in the very back nape area, you get 2 inches of parting space. Normally with my 360 wigs, I have to deep bleach the knots. I have to pluck all of the hairs from the back to make it look natural. But I am so glad that this wig came ready to wear straight out of the package. And I do not have to do any of those things. It's already done for me. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is tint the lace of this wig. This is a full 360 wig, so I will be tinting the front, sides, and back all at the same time. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'm going to spray a layer of that around the hairline of the underside of lace. The second color that I'll be using is the color of my scalp, and I'm spraying that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. When it comes to doing the nape area of the 360, I am not going to spray that foundation shade on the hairline. I'm just going to spray the scalp color throughout the entire 2 inches of parting space in the back. And the reason for that is because I don't wear foundation on my neck. So if I was to put foundation there, the colors would be off. So before I get started with styling this hair, I am going to customize the back nape area. And I will be doing my method of adding baby hairs to the back hairline. I am going to start off by grabbing random sections of hair and then use my razor comb to feather away some of that length. I want to make sure that the ends of the hair are not blunt but very light. Then I'll be spraying those baby hairs with water, applying a curling gel, and then I'll be using perm rods to curl them and allow them to set overnight. Now I am just going to grab a section of hair, fully saturated with water, use my detangling comb to detangle the section. Then I'm grabbing a curling mousse, applying it to the hair, and from the bottoms on upwards, I'm going to use my Denman brush to get these curls to pop. And at the very ends of the hair, I do want it to be more of a spiral curl, so I'm just going to add some perm rods to the ends. After allowing everything to air dry overnight, it is the next morning and I'm just going to apply some oil to my hands, remove those perm rods, and then separate the curls. If you are loving the back nape area as much as I am and you have made it this far into the video, don't forget to hashtag nape baby hairs in the comment section. Finally, the moment we have all been waiting for, let's install this wig. So I am going to use Eben New York's Wonder Lace Bond on my front hairline, and I'm basically just going to clean off my forehead with alcohol and then add a few layers of scalp protector before grabbing the wig and then applying that Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond to the very front hairline. And because this wig did not come with an adjustable strap in the back, I am going to tighten that elastic band just so that the fit can be perfect. So now I am just going to adjust that elastic cord on both sides and then hide it by tucking it underneath the wig. I am completely obsessed with this wig. However, you can clearly see that bright blue elastic band through the lace, and I feel like that kind of stops it from looking natural because no one has that underneath their skin. So the good thing about it is that the elastic band is removable, so you do not necessarily have to have it on your wig. But I do suggest and recommend that this company comes out with a flesh toned and a flesh colored elastic band so that you won't be able to notice it underneath the lace. And also I did remove that comb in the back nape area because you can see the comb clearly through the lace, and I feel like that stops the wig from looking as natural as possible. Because I did tint the lace in the back, it is giving it a more natural look, but when you have that comb back there, you can clearly see it through the lace. So I'm not a fan of keeping combs in the back nape area. But the good thing about this wig is that of course the elastic band is removable, but the wig combs are removable as well. So for the first look, I am grabbing my pick and I'm just going to pick through the roots just to give it more body and volume. I love big curly hair, and especially with this color, the balayage is so beautiful. So this is why we're here. We're here to put this wig up in a high ponytail or a bun. So for the second look, I am going to do just that. I'm putting the hair in a high bun, and then I'm going to show you guys the full 360 look of this new wig cap. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video. This wig is from Ashimaryhair, and this is their new 360 wig cap, which I am super excited for you guys to get your hands on because it is definitely worth the money. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Beige. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's chat everything this wig, the hair color, and the new 360 wig cap in the comment section. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's Beige Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige Ojai.